Can't decide between banana bread and chocolate cake? This chocolate swirl banana bread is soft, moist, and marbled with chocolatey goodness in every slice. Grab 3 medium-sized overripe bananas. The sportier, the better. They will mash more easily and will give the bread its natural sweetness and moist texture. Mash them until smooth so they blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Add in half a cup of brown sugar and a quarter cup of oil. Adjust the sugar depending on how sweet your bananas are. Overripe bananas are naturally sweeter than just ripe ones. Mix until everything is fully combined and smooth. Next, crack in 2 eggs and whisk them into the mixture until well combined. For extra moisture and tang, add in half a cup of Greek yogurt along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. The Greek yogurt makes the banana bread soft, rich, and tender while keeping it moist. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use fresh milk, regular yogurt, or even mala and mix until everything is well combined. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In another bowl, add 220 grams or about 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder for lift and softness, 1 teaspoon of baking soda to help the bread rise and balance the banana acidity, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon for warmth and depth of flavor, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness. Sieve the dry ingredients to remove any lumps and to aerate them. Mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, gently folding until it's well combined. Don't overmix the batter. That's the secret to a soft, tender loaf. Now for the chocolate layer. To another bowl, add half a cup of dark chocolate compound. Melt it gently over a water bath on low heat. You can also use pure dark chocolate chips or even cocoa powder as a substitute. Once fully melted, the chocolate should be smooth, glossy, and pourable. Let it cool slightly, but don't let it set. Add half of your banana bread batter to the melted chocolate and leave the other half plain. Mix until well combined to create a rich, fudgy version of our banana batter. Line your bread tin with parchment paper and let's create a swirl. Alternately spoon in the plain banana butter and the chocolate butter until all of the tin is filled. Use a skewer or toothpick and gently swirl the two together. Just a few figure 8 motions will create a beautiful marble effect. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the loaf cool on the tin for 10 minutes so it sets, then carefully remove and transfer to a wire rack or a board to cool completely. Slice for a gorgeous and delicious loaf that is soft with a perfect balance of moist banana bread and rich chocolate. It's perfect with tea, coffee, or as a sweet treat any time of the day. While you're here, check out my other banana bread variation on the playlist linked above. See you there.